I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy digestion. We'll explore simple yet effective strategies to improve your digestive health. By focusing on mindful eating, proper chewing, and adequate hydration, you can significantly enhance your body's ability to process nutrients. These foundational habits are crucial for maintaining a comfortable and efficient digestive system, leading to overall well-being and increased energy throughout your day. Making smart dietary choices is fundamental for easy digestion. Prioritize foods rich in fiber, like a cup of raspberries or a serving of lentils, which aid in regular bowel movements. Reducing your intake of highly processed items and excessive sugars can prevent digestive discomfort. Introducing fermented foods, such as a small bowl of plain yogurt, can also boost your gut's healthy bacteria, contributing to a more balanced digestive environment. Beyond diet, your daily lifestyle significantly impacts digestive ease. Engaging in regular physical activity, even a 30-minute walk, helps keep your digestive system moving smoothly. Stress is a major contributor to digestive issues, so practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing can be very beneficial. Furthermore, ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night allows your body to repair and maintain optimal digestive function. Implementing a few practical tips daily can make a big difference. Instead of 3 large meals, try eating 5 or 6 smaller portions throughout the day to ease the digestive load. It's also wise to finish eating at least 2 or 3 hours before you go to sleep, giving your body ample time to digest. Pay close attention to how different foods make you feel. This awareness is key to identifying and avoiding potential digestive triggers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.